again, everyone. So just to show you, just finishing off the cover for my Halloween journal. I've picked out the 2 pieces of paper that I'm going to be using for the inside. So I'm going to stick those down now. I'm still going to be using the Fabrifix to go around the outside. So we're sticking it to fabric like that. I'm just going to smoosh it a little bit. I've got bits all over me now. Okay, so that's that. I'm just going to also have a little cheat and use a little bit of glue stick on the inside, just to save using too much Fabrifix, because I need to get myself a new pot. Okay, so I'm just going to stick this down. Get it as straight as you can, as even as you can. It's not disastrous if it's not, because I'm gonna probably put lace around the edge. That's that. And then we'll put this in here, around the edgy bit. The thing is, when you get to the end of your pot of Fabrifix Fabri-Tac, you will find that you get sort of globs of glue, which is all right, but it's a little bit annoying. So we're going to smoosh that down like that. Smoosh that along there. Smoosh that along there and smoosh it. If you smoosh it down towards the join rather than the way, it helps to stick the join down as well. Bit of a double whammy. This does need to be sorted out. A little bit of glue there, a little bit of glue stick, and then we'll just stick this down. Squashy, squashy. Squashy, squashy. Okay, so that's a little bit annoying because it's going over the join. So I'm going to need to trim that off. I didn't realise it was going to do that. That one isn't, but this one is. Maybe I'm not quite far enough over. You do get a little bit of time if you think you're a little bit out of whack. You can do that. But I still think that is a little bit bananas. So I'm just going to take it off because you can. I'm just going to trim off a little bit along the side as much as I can. There's probably enough sticky there to do it, but I'm just going to make sure. I think very possibly one side of the box is a little bit smaller than the other side of the box. Okay, well, it's kind of looking all right. I still think it's a little bit too big, which is really weird because this side isn't. I'm going to lift it one more time, see if we can get away with it. And then again, you do get a little bit of a moment to get it off and to correct things. Get off my scissors, that's it. It's really strange because I put them up against each other and everything. But hey diddly ho. Sometimes just have a little bit of wonkiness. But now we're not far enough across. Oh, this is turning out to be a bit of a naughty one. Okay. Right, we're almost across there. I will fix that with a bit of something there to cover that up. A bit of lace or something will be nice and easy to cover that up with. Get rid of any of that excess glue. All these things can be covered up. I've got black lace that I can put around the edges, so they will be nice and neat and tidy in the end. But this is the cover so far. We're going to open up and we're going to have that. We're going to have that on the back. That is really weird because they are definitely not the same size. But yet when you fold them up, they kind of are. Spooky magic in a Halloween journal. Okay, so that's where we're at. Let me just stick that little bit down. A little bit of glue stick under there. And there we go. You can always cover any little holes, anything like that. Got sari silk, got lace, we can cover it up with. Easily done. So that's my journal. That's going to be the inside, that's going to be the outside. That will be covered in lace, but I can't do that until I've put the signatures in. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la. That's where it looks like so far. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.